Hello, and here we go. Front end. Oh, what's up with them? Just drop the auto smooth back on there for now. Right, front end. Let's have a think. I think maybe what we need is some reference for how high or how low these come down. That looks like it's slightly above the bottom of the front wheel arch there. Don't really want to use any more images, blueprint images. Just want to stick to that main one. Ideal. So highlight these two. Tab. Screencast keys are working. Look. GG. Ooh. Don't do that. Right, we just need these two edges here. Alt Shift. That one there. Do a Shift D. Duplicate. Drop it. P to separate. By selection. Now, so we need that and that. Do a Control J. And A for all. Merge by distance. Right. Don't think we're going to need all of these, but we'll just leave them for now. And of course, since this front is looks like it's stuck on the front, doesn't it? So if we highlight all of these, go to 3, just raise them up a little bit. Deselect that one, drag it forward a little bit. Possibly the same with these two. Right, so this, bring it down to here. Thereabouts. 2 up. 2 up. Well, that'll do for now. Right, so all of these, or A for all, extrude Y. Around there. Now do a Shift, deselect, and select that one. Scale on the Z. Just bring that down. So it kind of follow that shape. Yeah. You see what I mean? Now we'll do another extrude Y again. Just guessing how far it comes out. A bit of a problem really. And if we bring to X1, I'm going to say 1. These, I know it says V, E, F, etc., but they also become a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I've said pressed 3, 4, 5, 6, if I pressed 6, it would do that one also. So 1. And why on earth didn't that show up on there? Come on, screencast keys, what's wrong with you? Right, so highlight that one, and if we just do a scale Z 0, scale Z 0, not as 2, and if we GZ control, and that snaps them down to online with that one there. Out in front. Right. These are just too many, isn't there? Two. We'll leave that one. I'll leave that one. So these ones in here. And that one do a Control X. hopefully that's not destroyed this too much. No, that doesn't need to be creased. Put a 0 back on that. And do a smooth. Did I forget to save back in that last video? A bit late now. Of course in the next video, so it doesn't matter now, does it? Okay, so we need to close this gap here. Could we do a... Actually that's something a bit tight there, so we'll slide that back a little bit. 2, 3, F for face or fill. And these look like, I have a feeling these need to be pulled out here, so slide these ones out. Do a GG, slide that down just a little bit. There we go. And the bottom edge, drop a crease on it. 1 and go. Right, still none the wiser where these whole the vent at the front and where the lights are. Again, I don't really want to use any more blueprints, but we'll have a look. Right, so Max. Oh, what's handy? Images. All these look to be from the second one. That looks like the one we used earlier. Which one? Basically whichever's the biggest. So 920. Oh, with 1280 that will do, I think. So if we do a right click, save image as, and that will do. And now, right, we need to put that origin, when I say origin, world, cursor back to world origin, that's where the image will spawn. We're going to put this, we don't need it in images just now, I'm just putting the scene collection, so Shift A, image plane, image as plane, go to your folder, on there, import. And of course the car's facing the other way, so what we could do is do a scale Y -1. There we go. Go to X-ray mode. Alright, what we need to do is scale this back up to that size. How about, need a reference point, how about there? So Shift, right click there, and with the image still selected, do a right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Right, now if we just move that to the similar place, shift to move it a little bit more slow, now go, and then do a scale and cross your fingers these match, because the blueprints. Now here we go, and the wheel arch is going to be right. Look at the difference here, but is that because it's not quite matched? I don't know, tell you what, that's not too bad. The rear one doesn't look quite the same, but again this is from the second film. and that wheel arch looks totally different there anyway, so all we're after is these reference points. If we just line that up also with the door, maybe scale a little bit more. Oops, scale. Right, so some at least them lines match up here. That looks good. Alright, with that one then, so we'll do a Shift D, duplicate that, enter, and then we need to, what is that doing all the way across there? Okay, Shift S, selection to cursor. No, we want the other one. That one, Shift S, selection to cursor. Seriously? Oh, because the word's there. Right, so if we snap the origin back to the go, and of course that's going to be a different place now, isn't it? 3, doing a tab and just pull that back into where it was. And that was a big fail, wasn't it? Okay, so we'll do a Shift D and rotate Z minus 90 maybe? Yes. One for the front. Now we just need to align this up. This is the one we're mainly after. Three. G, Y, oops, sorry, G, X. We'll put that in the center line with them there. We could actually do with, for now, if we select these, deselect that. H to hide. Right, go back to front. Okay, so do a Shift right click in the center there, right click, origin to 3D cursor, gives it a bit easier to manipulate it now. There we go. Again, don't forget this blueprint is going to be slightly different to the other one, of course, because they never seem to be the same. Right, so we get a basic idea, can't we? There we go. And even just doing that, that's been what, nearly 15 minutes. So we'll do a quick Control S. I'll be back in a second.